Hello Navi Mechanics. In this video we will show you how to do the maintenance job on a 2016 Ford Focus equipped with the 1.0 liters EcoBoost petrol engine, 125 horsepower. The maintenance job for this car is very simple and you will need just a few cheap tools to carry it out. If you follow the steps illustrated in our tutorial, I am sure you will finish in less than 1 hour. Meet you back in the shop right after our short intro. For this operation you will need the following: a T30 Torx for the splash shield, a 13mm socket with a ratchet wrench for the oil drain plug, a 7mm socket for the air filter, a universal oil filter key, and 4.6 liters of engine oil, the new oil filter, the new pollen filter and the new air filter. First go under the car and remove the 7 T30 bolts holding the splash shield, located as illustrated. While the oil is still warm, loosen up the drain plug using the 13mm socket. Place a container under the drain plug and take it out. When the oil starts dripping, you can start removing the oil filter. The oil filter is located behind the engine between the intake and the right drive shaft. Take it out using universal oil filter key. Watch out for the oil spills. Take the new filter and always use some engine oil to grease the seal. Thread the new oil filter and hand tighten it. Do not apply too much force or the seal might break. thread the drain plug and apply the recommended tightening torque depending on the engine. As you could read earlier, for the 1.0 liters engine, the tightening torque is 25 Newton meters. Use plenty of brake cleaner to remove all the oil spills. Place the splash shield back on and thread the 70-30 bolts back in. Remove the 4 7mm bolts holding the cap of the air filter's housing. Take out the old air filter. Use compressed air or a vacuum cleaner to do some cleaning. Insert the new air filter and apply the cap. Pour 4.6 liters of engine oil through the feeding pipe. Check the dipstick and see if the oil level is okay. The pollen filter is located as shown under the dashboard. Take out these two plastic caps. Remove the interior trim. And now you have access to the pollen filter's housing. To remove the plastic cap, you will just have to pull these two clips in the same time. Now we can extract the old pollen filter. Place the new one inside and you are done. Great job, guys! Thank you very much for watching. Use the comments section for any questions or suggestions, and if you find our videos interesting, make sure you subscribe for the latest wannabe mechanic videos. Bye bye!